Hey guys, welcome back. Here is my submission for the NYX Top 30. The theme was Avant Garde and I really gave it my all. I actually was put really far out of my comfort zone with this, so I hope it did it justice. So ignore the rolled up bits of hair. What I'm just doing is just separating the front half because we're going to use that to layer over all the teas. So basically with the rest of the body of the hair, you want to tease it and hairspray it so it gets tacky and starts to stick together. Then what you're going to do is start working on the mold of the hair. So as you're teasing and hairspraying using the REDKEN Forceful Hairspray, start to create a dome-like shape forming the height of the hair. You could also build the hair around a base like scrunched up paper, but I found this way to be the easiest. Once you're happy with the height of the design, start bobby pinning in place. So using the hair that we sectioned off just before, grab the same hairspray and spray on the top portion of the hair and start layering over the teased areas to hide the mess. Smooth out any baby hairs with some more hairspray in your hand. Now I've been waiting to work with butterflies for a while, so I used a hot glue gun and some butterflies I found at the $2 shop and glued them on wherever I felt that they would sit nice once the wig was on my head. So I decided against the loose curls, so I teased the rest and bobby pinned it in place, and then I did braids at the side. So using anything with a straight edge, grab your NYX liquid white eyeliner and start to map out your triangle. Fill the triangle in with white body paint, and don't worry if you go outside the lines, as we're going to cover it later. With the same NYX white eyeliner, you can start to fill in your brows. The reason I've picked this is because it's very opaque and it stands out. With NYX's high definition blush in crimson, I'm placing the colour on my lips and on my eyes. I wanted this to look unfinished and messy, so I really just went where my hand took me. This was not placed strategically, so have fun with it. Taking NYX's Liquid Suede Lippy in kitten heels, draw a heart-like shape on your lips to give the illusion of small lips. With your finger, smudge the lip in any direction you like. I was really inspired by Alexander McQueen, and with his upcoming film, I thought this look was perfect. With the same lippy and a small artist brush, wing your liner straight onto your eyelid and then blend with your finger. Taking a small eyeshadow brush or a packing brush and some black body paint, flick the bristles towards your face to create a splatter effect. The more water you add, the more you risk the splatters running, so start out with a little and build. With another flat eyeshadow brush, start to carve out your triangle with black cream paint. I switched paint as I wanted these areas to give off a gloss finish, and the water-based paint will dry matte. Make sure to black out your ears as well. Use a detailed brush and black body paint to clean up the edges to create crisp lines. Using white body paint and a foundation brush, paint from your neck to your shoulders. To help even out the lines as you build the white, take a sponge and dab. Going back in with NYX's white liquid eyeliner, coat your top and bottom lashes. If you wish to use falsies like me, make sure to paint them as well. Glue on your falsies and your eyes are finished. Carefully remove the wig from your doll's head and set aside for application. Flatten down your natural hair, I just use bobby pins for mine, and then add your wig cap. Now be careful when applying. I would suggest 2 people, but I was home alone and had to make it work. And I ended up smudging the paint on my forehead, but that's fine, we can fix that up later. Fasten your wig in place with the front and side clips and then tighten at the nape if necessary. Fix up any smudge marks with black cream paint. You can set it with a powder, but I didn't as I was adding some texture later. To finish off the outfit, I made a neck ruffle to go with the Victorian look. If you guys want to see that, I can definitely do a tutorial as it took me 2 hours to make, so I didn't put it in this video. Begin to paint your hands black and sprinkle gold glitter on the ends of your fingers. I suggest doing this outside as it gets very messy. Once you've dunked your hand in gold goodness, grab some lube. Yep, that's right, I said lube. Paint it all over the black parts to create a glossy finish. Using liquid latex or Pros-Aid adhesive, stick some butterflies on your arms to tie your look all together. And that's it, it's done. This theme of Avant Garde really pushed my creativity to the limit and made me step outside the box. If you like my video, please go to the NYX Face Awards website. There you can vote up to 3 times per day per email. The entry video was up to me, but now I need you guys. If you want to see me in the top 15, all you have to do is vote. So follow the description box below and click on the link and get voting. Thanks guys, love you all, bye.